Hey everybody, Theresa Kurtz with the Gerdes team of Long & Foster. Welcome to 8117 Foxwell Road in Millersville. I cannot wait to show you this house. We are on 2.3 acres. We have 2,200 square feet of home, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a pool, and a garage with not just 1, not 2, but 6 bays plus 2 run-in sheds at the end. So look, come on, let's go take a tour. When you first walk into the house, you're gonna feel like you've lived here forever. It is so welcoming. You have this great living space here, which leads out onto the deck where the hot tub is and the smokehouse. And then you have this amazing bar area for entertaining, and then your eat-in area for the kitchen. If you love to cook, this is gonna be a great space for you. Not only does it have a million cajillion cabinets, but check out these beautiful surfaces where you could be prepping food. You've got a desk area so you can sit down and look up your recipes, but it just flows so nicely. I just love how this works. So it's all these big surfaces and all the cabinets. You're gonna love it. What's great about this room is that it is so versatile. We have it staged as a living room, but wouldn't this be a great dining room too? Totally up to you, of course, because it would be your house, not mine. We're in one of the 3 bedrooms. This isn't the primary bedroom, but it could be because there are actually 2 rooms that are both of significant size with ensuite baths that you could work it either way. So this is bedroom number 2, we'll call it, and it's beautiful. It's got big closet, an ensuite bath, and it's spacious. It's almost cartwheel worthy. And we're in bedroom number 3. This one's huge. Has a great closet in it, and it has all nice natural light coming in here. Really, really like this space. And this is the primary bedroom. Love this space. I love the green on the walls, the beautiful finishes up on the ceiling. It's really pretty. And they built a headboard for the room. So there's nothing behind it. If you wanted to take that out, you could, but it's already here, so it kind of just gives the room character. Now this is a shower. Oh my gosh, check it out. Did you bring your bathing suit? Because it's hot tub time. Yes! Barbecue, anyone? We love this one. This has cement board all around it. It's a shed converted into a smokehouse. So for you barbecue enthusiasts, this place is for you. You're gonna love it. One of the nicest things about the property and the garages is that this has a conference room and 2 offices in it, a half bath, and a washer and dryer. And these are all of the garage spaces I was telling you about. Holy moly! So with all these garage spaces and buildings, I can see so many things happening here. You could run a daycare, you could board dogs and groom them, you could run a dance studio, landscaping business, contractor, you name it, the sky's the limit. So come on, check out the property. Got any questions? Give me a call at 443-254-1072.